Here's a striking statistic. Brands with consistent presentation across all platforms see a 33% increase in revenue, yet 71% of companies struggle to create a coherent brand identity that resonates with their audience. Organizations are losing market share due to weak or inconsistent brand presence. Without strong brand identity expertise, companies waste resources on disconnected marketing efforts, suffer from poor brand recognition, and fail to build meaningful connections with customers. Many organizations find themselves constantly reinventing their image without establishing lasting brand equity. Brand managers feel overwhelmed by the challenge of maintaining consistency across multiple channels. Design teams struggle to translate brand values into compelling visual assets. Marketing professionals lack confidence in creating and enforcing brand guidelines. This comprehensive program transforms scattered brand efforts into powerful brand identities. It provides a structured approach to creating, developing, and maintaining memorable brands that drive business growth. You'll master essential skills in brand strategy, visual identity design, and brand architecture. The program includes hands-on design workshops, brand development projects, and practical tools for creating and managing compelling brand identities across all touchpoints. Organizations with trained brand professionals report 45% higher brand recognition rates and 40% improved customer loyalty metrics. They become recognized for their distinctive market presence and emotional connection with customers. Participants emerge as confident brand architects, often leading major rebranding initiatives. Their teams develop stronger creative capabilities and brand awareness. Individual contributors gain the skills to contribute meaningfully to brand development projects. Don't let poor brand identity hold your organization back. Join the community of brand professionals who are creating powerful, lasting brand identities. Enroll now and become the brand expert your organization needs in today's competitive marketplace.